In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Axiom Pro for meme coin trading. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, create an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, once you have an account, it's actually quite easy to use Axiom Pro to trade meme coins. So first you'll have to go up here, click on deposit, and you will have to deposit in some Solana to your account. So here's your deposit address, you want to copy it, and then use it to send Solana from a different wallet to your exchange over here in Axiom. You can either do this or just buy it over here via Coinbase, because as you can see, this is powered by Coinbase. You can put in how much you want, press buy, it will direct you to Coinbase where you'll be able to make the purchase. After you have some Solana, you can then start trading. And the first thing you want to do is select either if you want to go inside Discover over here, where you can see different DEX screener coins and then the trending ones, or you can go to Pulse. And inside Pulse over here, you have new pairs, final stretch, and then migrate it. So keep note, these are mostly scams. So over 99% of these are guaranteed scams. So basically, you have to first select a meme coin you would actually want to trade. I am no financial advisor. I'm just going to show you how to basically trade and not what coins to trade, because this is up to you. And of course, you'll have to make the decision which ones you want to buy and invest in. So once you have that, you want to, of course, set some filters. So if you want the best filters I use, you want to click over here. And then there's a video in my channel as well where I show you what filters I use. I think those are good. However, of course, you can adapt them and you can change them if you want to, because it's, of course, up to you. You can use somebody else's or whatever you want, and you can filter out a few of those possible scams that way quite easily. So once you have your filters, you want to set your presets over here. So we have preset 1, 2, and 3. If you're using an RPC, you can paste it in here. And you can select your buy and sell settings for slippage, priority, and bribe fees. Once you've done this, you want to find a coin that you would like to basically buy and trade. And then you want to just click on that coin. So I clicked on a random one over here. And over here on the right, you can then select preset 1, 2, or 3. So whichever one you want to use, it's up to you. Just click on the one you want to use right now. And then you can buy via market, limit, or use the advanced feature, or you can sell via, again, market, limit, or the advanced feature. And then you have to press place order, or sell, or place order, or buy over here. And just like that, you can use Axiom Pro to trade meme coins on their platform. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.